Did you just admit to being wrong? Now you just deny knowing anything about that. Keep going, keep flowing.